Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today we will start with Unit number 2, A Visit to the Doctors. In today's lecture, we will be covering the section of listening and viewing, in which, first of all, we will learn some new vocabulary words and their meanings. After that, you will be using those words in your creative sentences. And at the end, we will learn about personal experiences. So, open up page number 19 and let's get started. First of all, let us learn some new vocabulary words. The first word is yesterday. The second word is scared. The third word is worry. The fourth word is hospital. The fifth word is earache. The sixth word is thermometer. The seventh word is temperature. The eighth word is medicine. The ninth word is torch. And the last word is horrible. Now that you know some of the new vocabulary words, let's learn their meanings. The first word was yesterday. Yesterday is the day before today. Scared means afraid or fearful. Worry is a feeling of concern about something bad that might happen. Hospital is a place where sick people are treated by doctors and nurses. Earache is the pain inside your ear. Thermometer is an instrument for measuring temperature. Temperature is the measure of the warmth or coldness of something. Medicines are substances used for treating pain. Torch is a small light that is held in the hand. And horrible means very unpleasant or bad. Now, learn and write these new vocabulary words and their meanings on a loose sheet. And then use these words in your creative sentences.